pool is 12 by 28, and the spa is a 6-foot spa that seats 6 people comfortably. We put on the 3D rendering goggles, and Scott had put together a design based on our backyard and what he thought would look appropriate, and he nailed it. And I had to try to act like I didn't like it so much because I was sold. It did go as planned. The porter was very helpful. They would call before they'd show up. Everything was very timely. Actually ran a lot quicker than we anticipated. Everything's full steam ahead. Everything's worked out great. Your team has responded fantastic whenever there was a question or concern. We had a high school graduation birthday party, and had quite a few adults and kids over. Everybody really impressed with the design, the pavers, the color of the pool has really turned out fantastic. We'd recommend Solid Structures to anybody interested in putting in a pool. They're a one-stop shop, and you're able to get it all done with one point of contact.